There's a fundamental shift happening in AI right now. We're moving past conversation. We're entering the era of autonomous action. And that's not just a headline. For the last couple of years, the entire focus has been on AI that just talks. Well, Amazon has just released an autonomous agent that acts. This isn't your conversation partner. It's a digital laborer. So what does this new paradigm actually look like? The distinction couldn't be clearer. It's the difference between what AI was and what it now is. Just look at the verbs here. On the left, you've got your chatbots. They generate and they answer. They inform. But on the right, with Amazon's Nova Act, the AI executes, it fills, it clicks, it performs. And let's be clear, this is not some cool demo. Most AI agents we see are just prototypes. They look amazing, but they are fragile in the real world. Nova Act is different. It's built for enterprise-level reliability. Businesses are deploying this right now as we speak. All right, so let's get into the concrete evidence. What can this new type of agentic AI actually do? We are talking about real-world work, the kind that takes up hours of our day. This agent can go to a travel site and book a flight. It can order products for you, fill out complex registration forms. It can navigate dense software dashboards and even handle data entry across completely different platforms. It automates the grunt work. And here is the single most important metric. Early enterprise deployments are reporting a 90% task completion success rate. Think about that. 9 out of every 10 tasks are completed perfectly without any human intervention. That is a massive signal of reliability. So how is any of this even possible? Let's take a quick look under the hood at the core technology that makes this level of performance a reality. The key is what's called multimodal AI. Now, what does that mean? It means the agent doesn't just read the underlying code, it actually sees the screen, just like a person. It understands the text, sure, but it also understands the images and the entire visual layout of a website or an application. It knows where the submit button is because it can see it. And Amazon built this whole thing on a very serious foundation. It runs on their AWS Bedrock platform, which makes it fast and cost-effective. You can customize it with your own company data, and crucially, it's supported by real developer tools, an SDK, extensions for coding environments like VS Code and Cursor. This isn't just a tool to use, it's a platform to build. So let's connect the dots here. When you take this kind of technology and put it on that kind of infrastructure, well, the implications for how businesses operate are huge. This says everything you need to know. The core advantage here is just unprecedented scalability. You can automate your workflows to handle 10 times the volume without needing to hire 10 times the number of people. That fundamentally breaks the old equation for growth. And this chart really just visualizes that economic shift. Traditionally, as your volume goes up, your operational costs go up right alongside it. Well, agentic automation completely flips that model on its head. Now, you can handle massive volume while driving your costs down. It's a radical improvement in efficiency. So what's the bottom line for you? It means that adopting this technology is now an urgent strategic decision because the window of opportunity, it's closing. If you look at the timeline, it's pretty stark. Just 2 years ago, AI was all about informing. Today, right now, we are at the inflection point where AI performs. And if you look ahead 5 years from now, this kind of automation is going to be completely standard. We are in that critical adoption phase as we speak. So here's the takeaway. The technology is not some future promise. It is here today. It works. The only real question left for any business is a simple one. Are you going to be early or are you going to be late? Because the businesses that start implementing these agents now aren't just getting an efficiency boost today. They're building a multi-year head start of experience and optimization. Everyone else, well, they're just going to be playing catch-up. The transformation isn't coming. It's already